Here we go. Quick, fast, easy fried rice. You're going to add fresh veggies, the one you like. Here we have romanesco, kale, broccolini, carrots, and celery. Then you're going to throw some ghee in the pan. No, YouTube, these are not paid sponsors. And then you're going to add some organic coconut milk into the pan. And then a glass of rice. This is how they did it old school. Fill that glass twice. The ratio for rice is 2-to-1. And then let it simmer after it's boiled on low for 20 minutes covered. Don't peek. Add a little salt and pepper before you put that lid on. Then when it's done, you're going to get the wok out. You are going to fry up the rice, add the veggies, and a little salt and pepper again to taste. And if you like some heat, you'll get some chili sauce. We'll show you the final product later. Until then, get that rice going, chop up those veggies, and get that wok out. There it is, heating up that garlic, so yummy. Throwing in celery. Oops, a piece of kale got in there. Remember to use your hands when you're cooking. Makes it extra heartfelt, literally. And then, from there, I'm going to let those sit down for a little bit. Then we're going to come back. We're going to add the rice and the other veggies first. Add the rice, and you're going to crack an egg on it. You blend it all up. Season it one more time, and you're ready to eat. Enjoy. So here we go. Walk on all those veggies. Yummy veggies in there. Carrots, celery, garlic, salt, pepper, any other seasoning that you love. Leave it all different sizes. Chunky, big. Let it be a little bit more primal and rugged. We're going to hold on the kale to the very end. Once this is ready to go, we'll add the rice. We'll add the kale. We'll add 1 cracked egg. Saute it up a little bit further, and you're ready to go. If you're meat eater, go ahead and make that meat on the side, and then you can blend it in. Or toast, or tempeh, whatever you like, or you can just keep it as is. Enjoy. There you go. It's everything together. The veggies, the rice, and 1 egg. You have fried rice, great for the next morning, the next day at lunch. Enjoy. Mangiamo.